继续来看副总统阮清德要选总统，是咧拼球迷对伊的好感度。伊甲真出名的球星外号魔兽的霍华德来合体拍片，主要是配合着文化总会活动来去总统府带一枚，邀请这魔兽帮忙来宣传。这个影片呈现的方式就是魔兽无啥相信讲会当免费伫总统府过暝。魔兽讲伊无确定你家己的国家是毋是会当安尼做。这个时阵赖清德就扮做一个导演，甲解说讲台湾会使哦，因为台湾是一个自由民主的国家，两个人的互动真趣味。
Even the opportunity to stay at the presidential office. Cut.
副总统赖清德摕喇叭甲魔兽戏影片的过程动起来，伊个掠魔兽手甲伊讲唔对啊。
It's not just a quick visit. We are actually inviting them to spend a night at the presidential office.
The script is written that way, but are you really sure we can stay for one night at the president's office?
Yes.
I might even bump into the president herself while going for a late night snack.
Yeah.
魔兽唔敢相信当困伫总统府，唔过夹麦克赖清德导演讲会使就会使。
That is crazy. I don't even know if that's legal in my country or not.
That's why Taiwan is a free country.
Okay, I like it.
经典的名言，佮讲一摆，魔兽受到民众邀请，和赖清德做伙翕来去总统府带一枚宣传影片。迄个时，魔兽佮甲赖清德导演讲，家己伫咧18岁时，特别和厝里的人来过台湾，可以足心的佮一摆来到台湾省。
Let's do it again.
Okay, yeah.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, action.
Now, I would like to invite you to participate and spend the night at Taiwan's presidential office building event. Yeah!
赖清德和国际知名球星同齐翕宣传影片，嘛佮一摆有关伊的声势。
嗨，我是庄宇杰，想要看到更多的新闻内容吗？赶快订阅华视新闻的 YouTube 频道，并且开启小铃铛，跟着宇杰一起看新闻吧。